Welcome back to Tempcoder Tech. In this video, we're diving deep into the essential networking commands you need to know in Linux, especially if you're serious about system administration, networking, or ethical hacking. We're covering the old-school tools like ifconfig and netstat, and showing you why modern replacements like IP and SS are what you should be using instead. Let's level up your Linux skills, starting now. Ping is your first go-to tool when you want to test if a host is reachable. It sends ICMP echo request packets to the target IP or domain and waits for replies. It's perfect for checking if a server is online or diagnosing network latency. If ping doesn't respond, the host might be down, or ICMP requests may be blocked by a firewall. Ifconfig was the traditional way to view and configure network interfaces, but it's now deprecated on modern Linux systems. The better and more detailed alternative is IP from the iprot2 package. IP address show lists all your network interfaces, including IP addresses, MAC addresses, and their status. For example, look for ETH0, WLAN 0, or low. IP link gives you a clean overview of your network interfaces and their link layer properties, like whether the interface is up or down. It shows key details such as the interface index, name, MTU size, MAC address, and its current state, like up, down, or unknown. This is especially useful when diagnosing connectivity issues. If your interface is down, no amount of pinging or troubleshooting will help until it's brought back up. The IP route command shows your system's routing table. It tells you how packets will be sent from your machine to other networks, including your default gateway. Look for default via, that's your gateway to the internet. Netstat used to be the go-to command for viewing network connections and ports, but it's deprecated. The modern and much faster alternative is SS. SS gives you socket-level details almost instantly and is great for debugging open ports, services, and network issues. Want to know which app or service is using a specific port? Add the P flag to see the process name and PID. Great for security audits or troubleshooting when a port is unexpectedly open. Bonus tip, use dig to troubleshoot DNS issues. It's more powerful than lookup and lets you query name servers directly. Use plus short for a clean IP-only result, like dig plus short google.com. And there you have it. These essential Linux networking commands will save you time, help you troubleshoot faster, and set you up for success as a sysadmin, developer, or ethical hacker. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to Tempcoder Tech for more practical tutorials and tech hacks. Stay curious and keep learning.